Sussex's era finished now. Court bills. Harry received £1 million after failing his security court suit. Prince Harry has suffered a major blow in his legal battle against the UK government over his security arrangements. The High Court has ruled that the Home Office was justified in downgrading his security status after he quit his royal duties and moved to the US with his wife, Meghan Markle. The decision means that Harry will have to pay for his own protection whenever he visits the UK or rely on the goodwill of his family. The court also ordered Harry to pay £1 million in legal costs, adding to his financial woes. The ruling is a devastating setback for Harry, who claimed that he had been treated unfairly and discriminated against by the government. He argued that he still faced significant security threats as a member of the royal family and that his safety was compromised by the changes to his police protection. He also accused the government of breaching his human rights and his privacy. However, the judge dismissed Harry's arguments as unpersuasive and unrealistic. He said that Harry had voluntarily given up his status as a working royal and that he had no special entitlement to public funds for his security. He also said that Harry had failed to provide any evidence of specific threats to his life or his family and that he had not cooperated with the authorities to assess his security needs. He concluded that the government had acted lawfully and reasonably in adjusting Harry's security level and that there was no basis for a judicial review. The verdict is a huge victory for the government, which defended its decision as a matter of public interest in national security. The government said that it had to balance the security needs of the royal family with the cost to the taxpayers and that it had to adapt to the changing circumstances of Harry's departure from the UK. The government also said that Harry had not been left unprotected and that he could still receive security assistance from his family or from the US authorities. The case has sparked a fierce debate in the UK and around the world, with many people taking sides on the issue of Harry's security. Some have supported Harry's claim, saying that he deserved to have the same level of protection as his brother, Prince William, and that he had been unfairly targeted by the media and the public. They also praised Harry for standing up for his rights and his family and for pursuing his own happiness. Others have criticized Harry's claims, saying that he was being selfish and entitled and that he had betrayed his country and his family. They also accused Harry of wasting public money and resources on a frivolous lawsuit and of putting his own interests above the common good. They also questioned Harry's motives and his credibility and suggested that he was influenced by his wife Meghan Markle, who has been widely blamed for Harry's estrangement from the royal family. The case has also exposed the deep rifts within the royal family and the strained relationship between Harry and his father, King Charles. Harry reportedly did not inform his father of his lawsuit and did not seek his advice or support. Harry also hinted that he was open to reconciliation with his father, who is battling cancer, but that he had not received any response from him. Harry's lawsuit has been seen as a sign of his defiance and his resentment towards his father, who had cut off his financial support and his security after he left the UK. The case has also raised questions about Harry's future and his role in the royal family. Harry has said that he wants to keep his royal titles in his patronages and that he hopes to return to the UK for official events and family occasions. However, his lawsuit has cast doubt on his loyalty and his commitment to the monarchy and has in him from many of his supporters and admirers. Harry's lawsuit has also damaged his reputation and his image and has tarnished his legacy as a former soldier in the humanitarian. Harry has said that he plans to appeal the ruling and that he will continue to fight for his security and his rights. However, he faces an uphill battle as he will have to overcome the legal and the public opinion against him. Harry has also risked losing more than his security and his millions. He has risked losing his family, his country. He has